Hey everyone, it's Mad Tzen here. Let's do an easy delete background method. Let's tap on selections up here and make sure that freehand and add are selected down here. Next, trace all the way around the image like so. If you make a mistake, just 2-finger tap to undo. When almost back at the beginning, just continue to trace until you reach the gray node, which will leave a dotted line around the image. Then tap on Copy and Paste in the menu below. You should now be left with an image without a background. Don't forget to toggle off the original image layer as well as the background color layer for a transparent background. To export the image, go to Actions, then the Share tab, and select PNG. If you have any requests, feel free to tell me in the comments below. See you in the next video, and as always, thanks for watching!